Hey guys, so Patriot Contraptions here, and I had a crazy idea. I'm going to take this cutting board and piece of bandsaw blade, and I'm going to turn it into a chain tensioner for my dirt jumper slash trials bike I'm now building. I realized it was more of a trials bike because it's only going to be one speed, and it's more of the setup I'm actually looking to use it for as opposed to a dirt jumper. So, let's get started. So I kicked off the build with one of my favorite tools, the angle grinder, cutting in half that bandsaw blade till it was about a ½ inch thick, and then using my stationary grinding wheel to just smooth off the edges so that it was workable. Now at this point the workshop just became too crowded for me to actually film in successfully. I did finish up the build, and here's what I came up with though. Okay, so I just wrapped up building the tensioner, and I kind of cut some corners there with filming. I had some things going on. It just wasn't working to have the camera right with me all the time. I apologize for that, but I did get the tensioner done, and it's pretty simple, so I'll explain to you what I did. The chain tensioner is mounted right behind my front sprocket of my bicycle on the lower bar of the frame. Before I get into that though, it's important to note that I did shorten the chain up quite a bit so that it rides in just the third gear on the back. This allows me to have one speed and focus more on my riding and less on what gear I'm in. As for the tensioner itself, it's held on by a hose clamp which rides in this small little slot. Then the metal from the bandsaw blade has been overbent so that it puts tension on this piece of cutting board material, which has a slot at the bottom of it for the chain to ride in. Now let's check out some test footage of it in action. As you can see, the tensioner works perfectly, putting the proper pressure on the chain so that it doesn't derail during a ride. Now I will also be putting this through some more strenuous testing once the frame is fully welded, which will be coming up in future videos. So be sure to subscribe today so you don't miss out tomorrow on the latest builds. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.